Sharp microwave model SMC1655BS error codes. Sharp SMC1655BS 22-inch countertop microwave with 1.6 cubic feet capacity, 1100 cooking watts, sensor cook and auto defrost in stainless steel. Error codes. Code EE1, EE2. Problem: magnetron failure. Code EE3. Problem: both magnetrons failed. Code EE4, R23GT, R24GT and R25JT only. Problem: voltage too high. Code EE5, R23GT, R24GT and R25JT only. Problem: voltage too low. Code EE6, EE10, EE16. Problem: thermistors failure. Code EE7. Problem: exhaust air temperature too high. Code EE8. Problem: circuit failure. Code EE9. Problem: maximum time is exceeded. Code EE0. Problem: fan lock error. Code EE17. Problem: magnetron temperature too high.